Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making this beautiful baby hat. I made this for 1-year-old baby. You can use the same for 6 months to 18 months as well. I used medium weight 4-ply yarn. I used 120 to 100 grams of yarn. Also, I have given all the instructions if you want to make different size for the hat. This is the brim part. I have made with 8 single crochets. We'll see it now. Without further ado, let's get started. To make this yarn, you will need yarn. I have used this color lemon yellow, measuring tape, a scissor, 2 needles, one 5 mm, 4.5 mm tapestry needles. That's it. I have used 2 needles, one 5 mm and 4.5 mm. The smaller hook will be used for the brim part or the rib, you can call it. So let's get started. We'll first make chains. We have to make odd number of chains. I did around 47 chains. Like the pattern is you have to make even number of chains, one extra chain. I did 47 chains here. So if you measure this, it's around 12 inches. I did 47 here, 8 for brim part, 38 for hat pattern and plus 1. So now we will skip one chain from the needle and insert into second chain to make our first single crochet. We are starting for the brim part, so we will change the needles here. We'll use 4.5 mm hook. We have to make 8 single crochets now. Now we'll do the body part. We'll change the hook to 5 mm. So now first we will make a slip stitch like this. Then we have to make a half double crochet in the next chain. Again a slip stitch and a half double crochet in the next chain. Slip stitch, half double crochet. So yeah, that is the pattern. In the beginning it seems hard that you have to switch the needles and the pattern is odd, but believe me, it's not that hard. It's just till the time you get hang of it, and it is very easy to follow. Also, I would suggest if you have a higher needle size, then use that. The stitches look good with higher needle size. So continue like this and I will see you at the end of this row. So here I have completed my first row. We completed it with a half double crochet, chain 1, and turn your work. Now we will make a slip stitch in the same half double crochet, and observe we are using both loops. So next is half double crochet, again slip stitch, half double crochet. So complete like this row, and I will see you at the end of this row. Here I have completed the hat pattern, and now we are again at the ribbing part. We'll see how to do it from this side. As we started with the half double crochet in the previous round, this time we are ending with the slip stitch. Now for ribbing we have to start with the ribbing part. We will switch the needles again. I am using 4.5 needle for ribbing. So we have to use back loop, single crochet. Okay, see, back loop, single crochet, We will make 8 back loop single crochet like this. This is the 8th one. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Again start with the back loop single crochets for 8 stitches. Okay, follow along and I will see you at the end of this row. Completed this row. You can see how beautifully the pattern is getting ready, especially the texture you can see here. And ribbing, use 4.5 mm hook. For hat pattern, use 5 mm needle. Please follow and I will see you when the work is 14 inches long. Yes, you can see how beautiful the pattern is. So we'll measure it. It's almost 13 inches long and the height is 12 inches. We'll join this vertically like this. If you already know how to join, you follow your method. Otherwise, I am showing a quick way here. Like this, we can, using a slip stitch, we'll join it. We will use back loops from both sides like this and slip stitch using both loops on the needle. Like this, we have connected the brim part, and if you reverse it, it will look exactly the same. I just counted the stitches. Every time if you count the stitches, that will confirm you the pattern is correct. I'm changing the side for connecting the body part of the hat, and we'll do it with the 5 mm needle. To connect this part, we'll follow same method using slip stitch, but this time we will insert the needle through both loops. So we'll insert into the loop, both loops, and the loop available on the other edge, and we'll make a slip stitch. We'll pull up the loop and we'll make a slip stitch. Similarly for the next stitch. I will see you at the end of the joining. Okay, so now I'm done with joining and we'll leave the long tail to join the top part. We will use a tapestry needle now to close the top and join a pom-pom. Don't forget to weave in the ends and attach a pom-pom. Now our hat is ready, a cute little one for the little baby. We'll measure it now. The height of the baby hat is 8 inches and width is 7.5 or so. So yes, please make it and let me know how it come out. I hope this video helps you in your journey. If you like it, then consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for me in the comment section.